What's up guys, Garrett here. I am with the owner himself, Aiden. We got Mateo.
Aiden here, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, Garrett's gonna do all the talking for you because I'm going to be busy working. He's out with an injury, but that doesn't slow down the dedication.
That's right.
The job site. He shows up on time, hurt or not.
All right, give him a rundown.
Able to work or not.
Give him a rundown of what we're doing.
So, all these landscape beds that you see here, that I'm sure Garrett will be showing you, are going to be coming lawn because this is the rental property and we're going for low maintenance here. So, there's not really much to them because they're pretty much dead. So we're just chopping them out. Got Mateo over there bagging them up.
Yes, sir.
We're getting them out of here.
We got another mulch bed over here, guys. We got up there all dirt on mulch bed, right? And then some seed.
Yes, sir.
And we got the time lapse rolling. We're waiting on dirt. We've just been chilling for the past half an hour. Got all the plants dug out, trimmed up the grass, all there. Getting 3 yards of topsoil over and put topsoil all here, filling all the low spots and over here. And we're gonna put a bunch of seed down. That'll be it. Alright, Sage, what we doing?
Hey, how are we going? We're doing great. After the dirt got delivered, we've just been rocking and rolling. Got the whole lawn covered. I'm just doing the grading. Got a little spot from there. We're gonna come back through. But I'd say we're making good progress with the dirt.
I think.
And another good project. Gonna come in great in a couple weeks, and it's gonna be phenomenal. So I'm gonna be really happy with that. And I'd say we're a little over halfway done spreading the dirt. Some final grading to do. Seed the whole thing. Break the seed in, kind of compact everything down. We'll be rocking and rolling. Have a good one, guys. Well, boys, we're done. Garrett, how do we do?
Good, man. It's been a great day.
We were here for about 3 hours, as you can see. The whole place is regraded. Looks really good. Boys killed it. We just got to blow up the sidewalk. Walk you up here. As you can see, no more landscape beds. Just a nice clean lawn. And some clean edges on the sidewalk. Hey! You can see my shadow nice and large, filming on my phone here because it's way better in low light. But there you have it, boys. Looking super awesome. Another great project. So thanks again to my wonderful customers for all the opportunities. Another project wrapping off the list. Right now we're booked out every weekend from now until the first weekend of December. So if you want to get on the schedule, give us a call. We'll get you on the schedule. We're now booking for the second week of December, anywhere we can do then. Otherwise, we'll shift the schedule around, get you to accommodate our needs. So give us a call if you have any needs. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Boys are back there. With that, I'm Aiden from Hazelon Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.